Hi, my name is Ludas Butkus, and I wanted to do a quick cryptocurrency market analysis. Today, Bitcoin is nearing $3,800 for one Bitcoin. The price is skyrocketing, and this is just going crazy. After the hard fork, when it went really good, and Bitcoin Cash didn't have a chance to overtake the main role of Bitcoin, it all started going up, but I could not imagine Bitcoin going up as fast as it is going now. Just go to a month chart, we were as low as $1,800, and basically it has doubled not even in a month's time. If we would go in 7 days, I want to catch the peak of the chart. It was actually above 3,800, and we are actually going towards 4,000, and probably it will not take long. As you can see, there's basically no corrections, just going up, up, up. It shows up much better in the 1 month chart. A huge uptrend up. There are some minor corrections here and there, but overall it's a really steady uptrend, and probably in a week or two we are going to see $4,000 for a single Bitcoin. After that, maybe it will stop a little, not sure. It still hasn't found a good resistance line where it will hover around for a longer period of time, but it is just bonkers. In not even in a month's time it has doubled. So we are waiting now for the SegWit 2.0 or SegWit 2x, and probably after that the price will go above 4,000 easily. So good times for Bitcoin holders. But what's interesting else in the crypto market? Well, Ethereum is also finally reached out over 300, and it is now going slowly back to 400. It still has a little bit to grow, like what would that be, like 30-40%, somewhere around that, to gain its high. There are a lot of news. Almis Go is going to do a dropship, or how is it called? Essentially every Ethereum user will get OMG tokens for free. And there are other news that are actually driving the price up. Next we have Ripple, which is quite steadily and actually going a little bit down. Bitcoin Cash, after the huge increase, is actually going up. Chances are that the news about Poloniex actually giving all the Bitcoin users their Bitcoin Cash also had a positive impact on the price. So Poloniex users should have their Bitcoin Cash on the 14th of August. So that's good. And NEM is slowly gaining a few percent every single day, and it's now nearly 30 cents for one NEM coin. Litecoin, as it is a very stable cryptocurrency. If we go to the charts, it is slowly increasing in price, but it's a really stable coin. If you would look at the charts, we started at around 50, we ended at around 50 for the month. If we go for 3 months, it should be from around $30, and then it was 35, a peak over 50, 52, and then going back to the means. So it's really rather stable. Didn't hear any bigger news for Litecoin, but it's like the silver of cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin is the gold. So what's else is new. IOTA gaining a lot in the last 7 days. NIO, it has doubled, nearly doubled in the last 7 days, and it had a huge run up after the rebranding, and there was massive hype around NIO, it being the biggest China cryptocurrency. They are crowning it the Ethereum of China, and it has peaked at around 39, then there was a correction, and now it seems it should go up again. There are some speculation of it going to at least market cap of 2 billion, probably even more very shortly, so the price should increase again. So it's not over yet. Now, if you don't know, NIO is actually like shares of the company, and that's the price of it. But when ICOs start on the NIO platform, they will have to actually use the gas tokens. And they had a huge run up recently. I bought some myself because there's a really low supply of them, and not too many people actually know about them. So basically you can stake your NIO tokens and you will get a tiny bit of gas. I'm not quite sure about the percentages, but you can Google that out. And I bought at around $12, then it peaked at 23, and now it went down and it was at 12 again, and it is now going up again. So there are some predictions that this token, gas, excuse me, should actually have a market cap very similar to NIO and shares. So if it went to 2 billion, I think it should cost around 250 for one gas token, and that would probably be when I will be selling, but not too sure when that is going to happen. But it's something to take to be looking for. It's still not too late, I think, to get in, and the correction was a really good time to go get in yesterday. So let's get back to all the assets. Let's review a few more. For some reason it's not loading. Okay, let's go to all and let's do a quick overview of what's happening. Okay, Dash is stably at around 200, Ethereum Classic stably at 15, Qtum, heard a little bit about it, should actually do a better analysis. It's actually came out of nowhere, and it is 11th. Monero, also a very stable coin. Straight is kind of sleeping in the last several weeks, I guess. It had a huge run up and now it is kind of sleeping. The scam BCC token is 100. It's probably because of the increase of Bitcoin, because they get paid in Bitcoin. So I'll miss a go. The one that I talked about that is going to give out their tokens to Ethereum users. 10x, don't know nothing about that. Waves, EOS is kind of dropping. It's interesting where the price is going. As I predicted in one of my videos, it should go at around $1.20. It was right here, 150, and it's kind of going up and down because the inflation is really huge. 277,000 277 million EOS tokens are in circulating supply, and that's only not even a third of the whole supply that's going to be. So there's a lot of inflation still coming for EOS, so not a good time to buy yet, in my opinion. Okay, if we go back, EOS, BitShares, Zcash is at a very low price right now. There are some news about it, but the news don't result in a higher price, so that's really strange. Steam is at very low. Some accounts are actually selling off their Steam, and that keeps the price very low at $1.28. And if we would Google Steam backed dollars, I think they should be around, whoa, they're only, excuse me, at 87 cents, so they are going down a bit. I expected the price to be a little bit over 90 cents, but it is going down, so not too great. Bitcoin has seen a little bit of an increase in price. Golem, no real action going on. Veritasium, from what I read, it's kind of a scam. They got hacked and it's all very shady. If you would check out their website, it looks like there was no budget for the design. And if you read some comments about Veritasium, they have this weird community where they are kind of supporting the Veritasium, but kind of in an MLM fog. The people are very strange, so I'm not a huge fan of it and probably will never invest in this. Next we have Status, Lisk steadily at $2, Augur 21. Sia coin is actually dropping a lot, and I don't like seeing that at all. Then there's MadeSafe coin that had a little bit of increase. Some new coins, Storgy, oh my god, 400% increase, which is a competitor of Sia, so it probably is going to overtake Sia's place, probably, if it goes up like that. And what we have next is other smaller coins that I don't have any news for. So Bitcoin is going super well, and the whole market is rather up. Only a few coins here and there are going down, so it's all looking pretty positive. And this is it. Hope this quick overview was helpful. Hope you found out something new, and I will see you in the next one.